To Top Trading Edge, folks. Today is 7th November, Tuesday, and let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market look like. This is S&P 500 chart. All right, so we're gonna go and take a look at the daily chart, folks. Right here is the daily chart. So what do you see here right now? As you can see, MACD cross signal line look like a bullish, correct? Absolutely. And look at that market. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. We are green days right here. All right, now the bears are giving up right here and the bulls are excited here up there, and the MACD is super duper bullish, excited to enter into the bull territory. All right, so we are in a full-fledged bull mode at this particular event. Now what are the resistance we have right here? We have a cloud, as you can see right here. There's a cloud resistance, plus we have 100-day moving average. So this is your 100 SMA, 50 SMA and 200 SMA. So we bounce from the 200 above the 50 and we are heading to 100 SMA, which is around 439, 440, something like that. All right, that's now most important part here is, folks, okay, this is your major resistance area, as I discussed on last time when I discussed that, hey, we would probably have a resistance around here, but market is full-fledged bullish. All right, so we're gonna take a look at this smaller time frame and see what market look like for upcoming days, and then we're gonna look into upcoming week. How does it look like? So this is your W pattern forming. We are in the neckline right here, W pattern neckline, which is around 200 SMA, 438. But what do you see here, folks? There's an important part you need to learn here. This is 4-hour charts. All right, so bulls are in control right here. Now the bulls are little resting, as you can see right here. Bears did not take over the in charge yet. Look at that, something like this. Bulls are resting, then bear took over the charge, correct? Similar like that. We need to wait here, so we might need to go into the smaller time frame. So what happened is here, folks, the market is overbought. Look at the history of 4-hour chart here. Right there, overbought. Right here, overbought. Right here, overbought, right? So overbought territory right now, where we are right now. Okay, so we might need to go a little smaller time frame to analyze. Now let's go to 30-minute chart. So what market doing here? So 30-minute charts, exactly right here. So look at these cloud conditions, solid diagonally going upward, boom 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 boom, bullish right here. So we had a divergence, which is right here, bearish divergence. Look at the MACD from here to here going down, right? Same point, MACD going. The price action is continuously bullish right here. So from here to here, from here to here, continuous bullish, correct? But we all need to understand what exactly market is doing. So right now we have a bearish divergence, price going up, driver wants to go down. All right, so let's see where the weaknesses are. So what do you see here, folks? Do you see any weaknesses? Look at that. And a 30-minute chart, we have still continue bullish squeeze coming in. Why? Look at these cloud conditions. We have a bulls are still intact here. All right, but we have a bearish divergence. So these bulls and give a little rejections, and then we went up. Now we got to go and take a look at a little smaller time frame, so I can give you a little better picture, folks. Okay, so we might go and look at into 5 minutes, because remember I said I need to nail it down in a better way so I can help you. So the smart money was sitting here. So let's look at the market, see what the market was did, because why we had a divergence, right? So why market had divergence? So if you take a look at it, this was your support, right? We test 1, 2, 3 right here. Look at that. So many times we test this support. Every time we test the support, market bounce, correct? This is interesting to learn, folks, here. Okay, all right, now look what happened. Same thing, but today was the important day, and I explain you why, what happened, so you can understand. So look, this is a supply, this is a demand right here. Absolutely, this supply, rejection, and what happened here? Boom, poke through the roof. Right, so then this bounce. So if that bounce is bullish, we test the demand, bounce, boom, beautiful. So we had a great day today, right? Here, look at the bottom, market bounce, and interesting day, right? And we traded here to bullish, bearish, right? Target was right there. Now we hit the market again, hit the supply a little bit here because this here, but this is intraday, folks. Okay, this is just a 5-minute chart, so you don't need to get excited here looking like that. All right, so again, now we have to wait for the market, what market gonna do tomorrow. Okay, so what exactly 5-minute charts looks like? Now this is your demand. Okay, once this demand flip, we gonna short them. I'm gonna short the market. All right, just you have to do, for a disclaimer, you have to do your due diligence before you enter into any of your trade, folks. Okay, that's a strong disclaimer. But right here, as you can see, this is your demand zone now. All right, so market keep bouncing, keep bouncing. So right now we are in a bearish divergent mode. Right here, you can see this point to this point. Now 5-minute charts, folks. Okay, this is 5 minutes. So price from here to here going up, but here to here going down, right? You see that? So there is a bearish divergence. So, but still bulls are intact. What does it mean? Means if they now Friday option expiry coming in, which would be a 3 days away, right? So that is the reason maybe still bulls are happier here. Bulls are happier here. So until we break this area, folks, okay, remember this is your demand area 436. All right, this is the short-term period I'm analyzing. Okay, remember I said I'm gonna nail it down and put it in the bottle, into the bottle, and give you my perspective for the market, bullish side and bearish side. Because remember, I'm not a bull, I'm not a bear. That's the difference. Okay, but here, this is what it looks like. Once we flip this, then we can definitely go down and test this area. All right, so this is what we need to short term look like here. Until that, if we 436 bounce, we're gonna still continue be bullish and test the previous day high tomorrow. Okay, so we will see. That's what it, folks, that's the difference between us and others, those who want to jump in bandwagon and having FOMO. No, that's not how I trade, folks. That's why we have a everyday green day. Every day is a green day. But how? Pure technicals. I'm not what I'm trying to explain you here is this: we just need to follow the smart money. That's how you become the everyday green day. It's not easy. All right, yeah, there might be a red day too. I'm not denying, folks, absolutely, but very rare day I have a red day, folks. But anyway, now let's understand little further out. Okay, so what happened is here, I'm gonna go back to the longer time frame. So people want to know, so Josh, what do you think market gonna do? All right, so what would happen is, folks, this is the scenario what I think market has now. Today is what, November 7th. We have 4 weeks to go in this month, and then the Santa Claus rally might occur. I do not know, I'm just guesswork. Okay, so how market could do, because market doesn't make obvious run. They normally pull back and go, right? Because we are overextended here, right here. So these are the area where market could pull back, and I'll show you right here. The pullback area is, we need to look for nearest demand zone. So what I look for is everybody looking at the 200 SMA, which is 425. So market could pull back, all the bulls are here, and we could have created a trap and burn out their premium, and month-end expiry comes in. When is the month-end expiry? November, folks, would be 17th month-end expiry, 17th November. So we might, all this bull can be trapped, and we could test 425, which is 200 SMA, and fill all the gap. But these are technical event, folks. So there are 3 more weeks involved. Okay, 3 more weeks, 3 more Friday involved, 2 more Friday involved. So that will be a Friday option expiry, and then month-end option expiry. Remember OPEX. So either these are the demand area. Market could create technicals events which are gap here, that is a cheese, right? Mouse trap, and something like that they could create on a before the Friday events are here. Not this Friday, folks. Okay, I'm talking about something. So they might create a trap. That's what I see here, because market is overextended, as I showed you on a 30 minutes, 5-minute chart, as well as 4-hour chart. Okay, so how far pullback, that's where we need to fool. So let's look at this. This is the one scenario everybody looking at it, because everybody see this is the support, but most likely they could go here, right here, and then in the middle of the day everybody looking at the support here, everybody looking at the gap, and market could bounce little bit and burn out everybody, right? And then pre-market probably gap down go and then turn bullish and market go up. Something like that can happen, but this is, folks, probably might take a couple of weeks, okay, before we get here somewhere. But I'm thinking we are right in the middle of the cloud. We could pull back long term and we could go, because there is a light at the end of the tunnel coming in, so it's bullish right now. Any pullback is becoming bullish currently, and that probably due to the probably Friday option expiry is way far out here. So maybe still they are bullish here. Compression, look how many days we spent here on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we went down, right? Similar like that. Market could spend some time here, folks, right? And then so don't expect immediately to dump. This is daily chart, right? Each candle represent one day of the work. So we could get pull back a little bit and could go lower also. But shorter time frame, folks, I explained you here. If you wanted to look, if you can understand what I just said, we could break this and flip this, I will be bullish. Right? If it bounce from here, I will be bullish, right? So this is how we need to, this is what I see right here. Right now we are in a tight range. What we are at the resistance level, we have a very smaller window to play until unless market goes and flip this demand, until unless market goes and flip this supply. Okay, so we want to go one step at a time here. At this point, the smart monies were sitting right here. We flipped it and we went up. Now bulls are in control still, but there is a diversion here, so might be rejection. You never know, but keep this thing in mind. 436 area, if that flips, we could have a nice and easy ride here. All right, so because bulls are getting ready to trap, that's what the goals are. All these bulls are excited. You see this, all these bulls, they have a call position, folks. They have monthly, they have 2 weeks. Machine calculates all how many calls are there and when to expire them, to burn them out, because everybody is bullish. Remember that. And that is the reason we don't want to lose any money, right? So that's what it looks like. Now somebody says, Josh, can you take a look at the Tesla, please? All right, sure, I'll take a look at Tesla. Before I take a look at the Tesla, folks, those who wants to join the WhatsApp community right here, folks, the YouTube community is Top Trading Edge right here. Every day I go live, folks. These are 7 hours live, morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. every day. And I share my trades, I share my screens, I share all the technicals, everything every day live, folks. It's recorded. You can click on this. So you see live and video. So click on live, and these are the video, market update video. I do market update videos. Right here, you can click on the videos and you can see that everything is free of charge, folks. Okay, and then if you want to see my trades and all, I submit all the videos, update on WhatsApp group also, which is right here. Everybody's here, right? You can also join the community. All these are my trades, right? And you can join. All right, now if you want to join the community, these are the classes, folks. I offer education. Those who are part of the community, no website, no interest, only the people who follow me, I give them the education, right? So those who wants to learn how to trade intraday, swing trading, whatever you want to learn, that's what I teach you, folks, right? So that's the community where I teach. Plus, if you want to join right here, open your camera and you can scan the barcode. This is the barcode you can scan, and you can join the WhatsApp group, which is free of charge, folks. But there is a lot of discipline to follow. Remember, in this community, you have to understand there's a lot of discipline applies here. Over here, we do not allow any pump, any Tesla pump, Bitcoin pump, AMC, nothing. You have to be very disciplined and enjoy the ride and learn. Okay, so please respect that. All right, now let's take a look at Tesla. So Tesla look like Tesla MACD cross right here, but no squeeze, nothing. So still we are in the bear territory. Okay, Tesla is in a bear territory and we have a bounce. So this is little bullish. So right now all the bulls are getting excited, but every time market try to bounce, we got a rejection. We are right sitting on a 200 SMA right here. So what does it mean? Means we need to go a little smaller time frame. Right now market could is above the 200 is bullish, right? But we need to go little smaller time frame. I'm sure people are interested in a smaller time frame. So smart monies are sitting right here. Let me get rid of this. I need to make a shorter video, folks. Okay. All right. So let me go a little 4 hours. Just a minute, and let me take a look at it. 4 hours. Wow, this is inverse head and shoulder pattern forming. We could go to 230. Most likely that's the agenda here, but we are overbought territory right now. Okay, still has a room. Tesla has a room to go up to 30. That's what it looks like, but in the middle of the cloud right here. So it can pull back and go, right? Because these are all like it's a process of 6-7 days and then bounce, because MACD is already up there and we are already overbought here. You follow? That's why. But let me go, this is a 4 hour chart. So let me go 30 minutes and then we can have a better vision to understand, see what it look like. All right, so Tesla keep creating bearish divergence, folks. Watch out, okay? Be careful, Tesla. Look at that, 1, 2. So any price for, 220, 230 immediately pulls back. Tesla has bearish right here. So that's why, so smart monies are sitting at 218 area, 218. So what does it mean? We need MACD try to cross. Okay, so if you see, now this is what I would tell you, folks, okay? We have keep divergence coming in. That's not good for the Tesla. We don't need a bearish divergence. You need a bullish divergence. So at this point, smart monies are sitting here, and you need, this is what I can see. You need this demand area to flip, okay, folks? If you are bullish, you need 225 to flip to be bullish, but your demand is right here, this area right here. This is your demand. Okay, so let's see, we just bounced from this demand, right? You see this is, so from bounce from here is bullish, right? So let's see if anything flips, any area to flip. So you can see the price actions are here and price actions are here. You need something to flip in order to be bullish or bearish. So you keep this thing in mind. If anything flips, if this goes flips, we're gonna go lower and we're gonna go and test this. If this flips, we're gonna go higher and we can go and test 230. Okay, and we could go to 240 also. All right, but at this particular point, we need something, because we look at how many days we spend. It's a block. It's called, boxed in strategy. Tesla, a lot of people are bullish. All these bulls are there, so they're creating a boxed in, and many people lose the premium, folks. People who buy 1 week, 2 weeks options, right? And to burn those premium out. This is how market maker, they ring the register. So right now all these bulls are here excited. If they want them to burn out, then they could go lower, because that's what I can see here. If they go lower, they make money. If they go higher, they lose money. So, but right now they could go higher if they want to go, because it's Tuesday, right? So Wednesday, maybe they go to a little higher right here, and then Thursday pull back, and then Friday come down here. Something like that they could do. That's what I see, folks, because of this divergence, bearish divergence. All right. So, but folks, don't hate me, because what I will see, I will say what I see. All right. Other than that, folks, see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:30. If you want to join Top Trading Edge right here on YouTube. All right. See you tomorrow morning, 9:30. And also, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Also share with other community if you could, just like how I'm putting my time behind to help you guys out, whatever you market update needed. Same thing, folks. So help. All right. Sharing is caring, folks. See you guys tomorrow morning. Bye.